I've had a lot of people ask me, could you do a shave with just 1 days of growth? So I just have 1 days here. I wanted to shave with one of the razors that a lot of people are making the switch to. And there's a reason why. You don't just sell a ton of razors because you do a lot of marketing. You don't sell a ton of razors because they're dirt cheap. You sell a ton of razors because it's a very good shave. And welcome to Henson Shaving. This is the #1 selling safety razor right now. And guess what? We're going to give one away in this video. So stick around and I'll tell you how to enter to win. All right, so why do I like Henson Shaving so much? I'm going to put in a gem blade in. If you guys, I say this all the time, if you haven't tried these gem blades, bro, you're missing out. These things are fantastic. And they just come in a basic wrapper. There's no goo on them, and it's the best blade I've used in my life. And I don't say that lightly. I've used every blade out there. Well, I shouldn't say every blade, but most every blade. But to tell which one you have with Henson, there's a plus up here. That's letting you know this is the medium aggressive one. And there's a reason why so many people on YouTube, TikTok, whatever, use the favorite ones is because they're that good. You can't fake something that's good. So why do I like this razor so much? Well, the reason why I like it so much is if I'm struggling with my technique, this thing's going to help me hone it in. The way the razor is clamped in by the base plate and the top plate, there is no blade chatter going on inside or with the blade. I mean, it's just well engineered. A lot of other companies are trying to copy this razor because it's that good. Now, I know for me, I like it because, again, it teaches me my technique. And if you're new, it's just a perfect razor to get for your first one. I mean, I wish I would have started out here. I started out with a cheap Viking Chieftain blade or razor that I bought for, I think it was 25 or 30 bucks. Then I went and bought the Merkur 34C. I spent 50 bucks on that, and then I bought a Rockwell 6C, which that's a great entry level razor as well. And then that razor is what got me into getting better shaves. But if I would have started out with this one, oh man. When people are making the switch, they're used to pressing down on the razor. And this one's so light that you're going to have to press down. Now, there is a happy medium on how much pressure you put on these. And that's why I think a lot of people that don't like these don't like it because they're used to just letting the razor do all the work, where this one weighs 38 grams. I mean, you got to apply some pressure to this. But I love it. I mean, so good. I mean, one pass, that's so good. Now, I did nick myself right here, so I'm going to have to be real careful here. Took the top of it off. But I have to hit it. I don't want to have hair up here when I'm always clean shaved. Going out tonight. Just so good. So good. All right, let's give that a rinse. You can't miss with this razor. So many people that watch this channel like will own several razors and haven't bought that one, and then they purchase it and they're like, oh my God, dude, you weren't kidding. No, I mean, a lot of people knock it, but they've never tried it. But once you try it, trust me, it can be your daily your daily driver easily. And, you know, do I have to go in for another pass? No, but I'm just going to go in for a quickie. Just so you can see it in action. Yeah, I can't do my neck like that. See how good that is? I mean, you can ride the cap on it a little bit, just a little bit, because if you don't get the right angle, it won't cut. Now, you can't sit here and press, you know, as hard as you want. Just a little bit of pressure. And man, so good. Yeah, I mean, come on, America, you can't beat that. All right, we're going to switch the cold here and go in on our post-shave routine. Now, a lot of people have, you know, commented and, you know, hey, I need help with this, I need help with that. And here, you know, they don't even have a post-shave routine. It's like, dude, you can't skip a step and expect to get perfection. I mean, I don't. I mean, if I skip something, I am not, oh my gosh, I didn't get a perfect shave. Well, you know, I didn't follow my steps. And that's big. So just going in with an alum block here, going to wet it with some cold water. Yeah, I mean, that's the one where I nicked myself this week. Little tingle down below, not much, but a little. I suggest when you get the Henson, get some of the arcade blades that come with it, because they are, in my opinion, the most mild blade you can buy. And that's a good razor blade to start out with. You're not going to want to start out with a feather blade or even a gem blade. I mean, you could, but you know, there's a learning step process that you're going to want to learn, unless you just pick stuff up completely quick. And then, yeah, other than that, I'd buy a variety pack. Now I'm going in with some Thayers. Man, I'm still trying to get, I bought a new bottle. Here's the Thayers new label. Some of their other products that they make, I like the original. Like, I think the original's the bomb, dude. And I put aftershave on top of it, and what I find is it just melts right into my face. Like, that stuff is like super wet right now. Then go in with, you know, any aftershave that you like. And this one's working good. Right now I'm starting to get a little bit of sun, and probably be switching to Nivea soon, because I just like Nivea. Actually, I need to get more of that. Here's the Nivea. This stuff's super cheap. You get like 3 bottles for 12, 14 bucks on Amazon. Super cheap, and it's good, especially if you wear cologne like I do. All right, so that's my post-shave routine. I have great success with that. You know, in about 25 minutes to a half hour, that Thayers and that aftershave balm's going to soak into my face, and it's going to be silky smooth and just super soft. And your skin's going to glow, and that's what I like. I like it when my skin glows. Not greasy, but glows. if you haven't picked one of these up, or if you're on the fence, what safety razor should I get for my first time? There's a reason why this is the #1 selling safety razor right now. It's because it's so good, dude. Now this one right here is 3 years old, so they are going to hold up well. And the knurling on the handle's like perfect. And the angle that it cuts at is good. You just can't miss with this one. So make the investment today. Use the link down below and you're going to get 100 free RK blades. If you guys thought this video was helpful, watch this one right here. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday at 11 a.m. Happy Easter. Have a great week. Come on, America.